Hey beautiful gut feeder, today you are up for a treat. I'm gonna share with you, I'm not just sharing them with you, I'm actually showing you how to do 3 of my favorite juices to ease chronic health struggles, boost your energy and balance your hormones. Right now I'm still home, but in just a few seconds I'm gonna be at the other side of the mountain, over there, in a wonderful place called the Butterfly House of Bouquet Bees, where they introduce you to a wonderful lady who started this project, Emily, and we let the community, all the visitors that come there, benefit from the juices. I count to 3 and then I'm gonna beam myself over to the other side of Bouquet to the Butterfly House. 1, 2, 3, choo! There we are, guys. Beat myself over. I'm in the kitchen from the Bouquet Bees in the cafe. The first juice we're gonna make is the Pick Me Up juice. This is a green juice with just 3 ingredients: apples, cucumbers, and celery. And what that juice does is, first of all, it deeply hydrates your cells because it's fruit water. It's the perfect mix to energize your nervous system. It cools down your nervous system, at the same time gives you energy. By the way, guys, this juice is also amazing as a gentle cleanse starter. It tastes good and it helps your body to release toxins from your brain, from your liver, from your nervous system, so you have more digestive ease and you feel also you have more energy. So guys, this is no science. Don't ask me how many cucumbers for how many apples. Just feel into it. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. And now, let's look at this. Cheers. Pick me up. Green, but it tastes sweet. Are you ready for juice number 2? Forever. That juice is specifically tailored to cleanse your body from toxins while energizing you, because often what people do is they do those hardcore detoxes and then they don't have enough energy because the body takes time, it needs time to cleanse, but also for bringing out toxins the body needs energy and the body needs glucose. So for the glucose part we have pineapple. Lovely locally grown pineapples here. Check out this babies. Pineapples, guys, they contain a certain enzyme which is called bromelain. Bromelain is amazing for reducing inflammation, especially in the sinus. It's amazing to reduce inflammation and it reduces pain as well. This is what bromelain, this enzyme, does, specifically in pineapple. Apart from that, pineapple has a lot of antioxidants, vitamin C, etc. Now, the second ingredient we need is lemons. Lemons, limes, anything you have will work for this. Third ingredient, of course, my friend, the celery. Celery and lemons will help to raise your hydrochloric acid, your stomach acid, and improve the digestion as well, which is really important that the elimination paths are clear when you're doing anything with detoxing. Hardcore detox part comes with the greens. Specifically, we're going to use parsley. And if you have any other greens that you want to throw in, here we've got kale. Some of this lovely kale as well. Okay guys, so here we are, forever young. Cheers. By the way, we got some big wind coming in. It's probably a storm. Are you ready for the third juice, guys? This juice is one of my favorite juices after doing physical exercise because it also helps to alleviate pain and relaxes your muscles. It's anti-inflammatory as well because of all the amazing ingredients what we're going to put in. Bounce Back has 4 ingredients: carrots, delicious oranges, beetroot, so it's going to be a red juice, and you know my favorite one, ginger. Now guys, with the orange you actually get all your calcium that you need, so if you think you need to eat dairy, forget about it. Calcium in oranges is actually bioavailable. We've got vitamin C, we've got folate and iron, amazing for the ladies. Drink beetroot juice. Also helps to lower blood pressure and increase your performance because it has iron. The ginger, anti-inflammatory, helps to recover your muscles faster. And we've got the carrots with beta-carotene and antioxidants. Cheers! So here we are with Emily from the Butterfly House and Bouquet Bees. What I like about this place is that there's so many different things you can do here. So you can do yoga, you can go and shop something, you can go on the internet and just get some work done, but I could also have like a really nice juice now that will produce the juices. What sparked your interest to do this?
I have always been passionate about plants and gardens and biodiversity and food. So really, This place brings together my hobbies and my interests. A butterfly house is a lot about plants, and of course many different honeys is a lot about plants, because every honey comes from a different plant, and the food we produce here is a lot about plants and all the many different things that go in the juices. And
we're gonna now feed all those juices to the visitors and residents who come for yoga, who come for doing tours here in the butterfly house, or who just come back from hiking or just go on hiking, to energize them with the juices. Guys, I want to know from you which one is your favorite juice. In the comments below, let me know.